Hi guys, it's morning once again. So it's Lord's Day. Ngayon gigisingin po natin si Kwek Kwek. Na. So ayan guys, so narito pa rin kami sa staycation. Nasa staycation kami guys. Hey, wake up little Susie. Little Susie, may English share ah. Hey, we're going to church now. It's Lord's Day. Kwek kwek, wake up. So ayan guys, ayaw pa magising na aking English share ah. Hey, wake up little Susie. Hey you. Hey you. Speaking in dollars. Hey baby. Gising na. Ito pag ibinaba nyo tong kamay na to guys, ibig sabihin tulog pa. Pag ibinaba nyo yan, tulog pa yan guys. Uy, tulog pa naman talaga siya guys. Uy, gising na. Wake up little Susie. Uy, gising na. So ayan guys, nasa staycation pa rin kami. Ayun aking binata, tulog na tulog. Sabi kasi na ano, staycation daw siya.
Ito anong cake?
Wait. Oh, hold on.
Pumpkin and hunted.
So, habang sinisipag lang mag-vlogs. Good morning. So, it's Lord's Day. Siyan. Ay, Kian. Hi there, my handsome apple. My beautiful apple, Jamila. So, ayan po guys. So, it's Lord's Day. It's Sunday. So, ayan po. Wala si Rosalinda, mi amor. So, ayan guys. Yun lang po. Happy Sunday.